Hi, I'm Dulce, a crafter from Pune, and I decided to take a bus, go to Bombay, and just discover the Crawford Market and all the other markets over there that have paper and crafting things. So, this is my vlog of how I reached there, where I lived, the people I met, and all the crazy stuff we did. I went to Bombay in a bus. Yeah, I know you might be surprised, but I just love bus. I think buses are better than trains. Buses are better than airplanes. I don't know, they have a different vibe. By the way, I was traveling alone by myself. And you must be wondering, अकेली लड़की रात को in a bus, is it safe? I think it is safe as long as you mind your own business. The cab driver who dropped me to my bus, oh my god, the most pagal person ever. I booked my cab to the Pune station because I know that there's a bus leaving to Bombay every 15 to 20 minutes. But this guy tells me, no, Pune station it's a metro station now, you can't book any bus from there. I mean, just confidence से इसने free का ज्ञान बांटा. I was like, बंदे को पता है कुछ तो. I mean, maybe he's right. Who knows? I don't travel by bus every day, so why not just follow his lead? Big mistake. Don't trust cab drivers. Trust Google. Google auntie is the best auntie, honestly. That guy wasted so much of my time. I was supposed to leave at 4:30 and I ended up leaving at 6, so by the time I reached my hostel it was about 11:30. I liked the hostel. I got a female dorm in backpackers, Kawis, if that's how you call the name. 8 people in the dorm, 1,000 rupees a night. So far, if you want to know how much money I spent in traveling, 400 for the pagal cab driver, Viman to Swargate ultimately. Then from Swargate I got a purple AC Volvo for 450 from Bombay to Sion station, and then from Sion station I got a cab all the way to Kolaba for 350 if I remember correctly. Do you think I paid too much? I think it was reasonable. Like, if I would have taken a cab from Pune to Bombay, it would have been about 3,500, maybe 4,000, and this was cheaper. Anyways, I'm ready to go to bed, done with my skincare and everything, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. The plan for today is to meet up with one of my really nice friends who I've never met before. Her name is Maggie, and she is taking me around to Crawford Market, and we're gonna look for all crafty things. We're gonna look for papers, boxes, tumblers, you name it, all the Diwali things. So this is Maggie, and just enjoy. I was awestruck at this market, from beautiful candle stands to handmade diya holders to trays to lanterns to baskets, everything. This was a hub for everything. Like, if you wanted to make a gift hamper, you could select one of these baskets. This MDF shop, this one again had a huge variety of diyas, the hanging diyas, the hamper diyas. But what got my eye were these glass frames. You've seen these glass frames on IKEA. IKEA once had that black one, but these had a golden frame. I recently got them from Amazon. They were really expensive, and these one ranged from 250 to 8x8 was 300, which I got. Now we are off to exploring some more things. We found this bag store, again a very reasonable bag store. Now we headed towards Abdul Rahman Gully. As soon as we entered, we found this cute kawaii style shop that had all of these amazing colored tumblers that we can use on our craft projects. We can even put in hampers. They had other really nice stuff. And then this is another store where we went for boxes. So you can see they have a lot of paper bag options, a lot of box options. I really like all the flower collection that they had, which we can put on hampers again, or you can put it on clips. These nets that you can pack your hampers with. So this was an all-in-one place, and you can see the variety. How pretty is that? Give me a gift in this, please, guys. Navratri special box. All kind of premium box as well.
Abdul Rahman Street, Paramount. Very famous.
नहीं चाहिए चाहिए ही नहीं है मैं बता रही हूँ टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हूँ Maggie ended up buying quite a few boxes to show a sample to her clients. And just to give you an example of the price range, if you buy these boxes in a store, let's say Mr. DIY or some other store, you will get each box for about $3.50 starting. Over here, these boxes were only for $125 rupees, and they fell flat, so perfect for traveling. Next up in our shopping spree was some Korean jewelry in Satar Chowk itself. It was a little expensive place, so we ended up having juice, and we bought some trinkets from there. But then after having juice, we walked all the way to Mahesh Market. Mahesh Market is the hub of phone covers, mobile covers, electronics, all of that jazz. An iPad cover was for $500, and these keychains were, I think, about $200 if I'm not mistaken. In this scorching heat, we decided to call it a day. I took a cab, came back to
लगाएंगे तो सुनाई नहीं देगा ना हॉर्न मारेंगे तो इसके लिए क्या है हॉर्न मारने के टाइम सुनना चाहिए ना बराबर तो जाम लग गई पूरा रोड जाम क्या करेंगे रुकने का ना 2 मिनट ये बीच दिख रहा है
I went back to the hostel, took a quick shower since it was hot, and came to this Leopold cafe. Apparently, I didn't know this at this time, but apparently if you live in Backpackers Kawi's, you get a 20% discount at Leopold. Leopold is a Parsi cafe, and I decided to get some Bombay masala sandwich with chili sauce. Now, while I was gulping my food, this guy walked in who, if you have seen pretentious movie reviews, and I think his name is Kunal, and this guy looked exactly like Kunal. So I think I spot a celebrity. Anyways, in my next vlog, I walk all the way from Colaba Market onto Kalagora, and then we go to this amazing Jewish restaurant, which is all vegan food. It was just absolutely fabulous. You cannot miss it. So hey, please hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload it, and like this video. If you want to see all of these stories, my funny stories, then you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm pretty regular on there. But I'll see you soon. Bye.